Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling the camera and granting permission. This is essential. Once done, open the camera app or the system QR scanner so the reader is live. Make sure to position the code in the center of the frame and hold steady, roughly 6 to 12 inches away, so the autofocus locks. If your camera overloads in low light, move to a brighter spot or switch on a flashlight. These quick moves make scanning reliable and fast, and they prevent wasted retries. You now focus on precise framing and camera control. Once the QR occupies most of the viewfinder, tap the screen to lock focus and exposure. This avoids misreads. Make micro adjustments, tilt or move slightly, to eliminate glare or reflections, and pause about 1/2 second after each tweak so processing completes. When a notification appears, read it. It tells you the action, like opening a URL or adding contact info. If overlays block the code, move them aside or change angle to get a clean read. You finish by tapping the on-screen prompt to complete the intended action. Open a website, add an event, or connect to Wi-Fi, while verifying the destination first to avoid phishing. If scanning fails, clean the lens, add light, or back up to about 8 to 12 inches and try again. Sometimes a small tilt solves focus issues. Make sure to use the share or copy option to save links securely, and if something looks suspicious, close the prompt and do not proceed. Safety matters more than speed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.